Hello, I'm the Craft Maiden, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Invisible Book of Invisibility from Harry Potter. And as always, if you wish to do this yourself, all the tools and materials I use in this video is listed in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get this DIY started. First off, you need a book. No need to worry what kind, as you won't be able to read it anyways later on. Then you need to get a hold of some fabric made out of Demiguise hair. It's kind of hard to come by, but if you search hard enough, you will find some. I then rolled out enough fabric to cover the book and cut it off. And a disclaimer, don't do the same mistake as I did and lose sight of it. Don't let your cats come nearby it. Smooth the fabric out and check if it covers the book. To make the fabric stick to the book, I used the Invincibility Spray. It's some kind of adhesive and it goes really well on the fabric. After spraying it, I placed the book in the middle, folded the fabric over and put it into place. And to avoid the fabric from being bulky in the corners, I just cut off the excess. When the book is covered, it needs to dry for about 30 minutes, so everything merges with the book. The cover starts to sparkle when it's dried and it's starting to disappear, and that is the perfect time to cover the pages in Moonstone Dust. Really make sure to use the dust kind, as the powdered stuff are mostly used in potion making and is glowing, and you don't really want the book to do that. This is also really hard to come by, but at least a small amount goes a really long way. Just make sure to wipe off any content that comes in contact with your skin, as it is really potent. Then I used a brush to apply it, and you only need to cover the edges, as the dust will slowly infuse with the pages. Place the book on a safe spot so you know where you placed it, and let it sit for a few hours until it disappears completely. And as I didn't want to lose the book, I decided to tie a ribbon around it so I knew where to find it. And there you have it, the Invisible Book of Invisibility. It may maybe have contained another content like a storybook, but as nobody will be able to read it, it shouldn't really be a problem. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you will get notified whenever I upload. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!